chose this program because it's different than the typical career nowadays. Most people are told after high school they have to go straight into college and become a doctor or a lawyer. This program interested me. I saw the videos and realized that there was another route in life. There's the entire world of construction, whether it's small things like contracting repairs to working on skyscrapers.
The jobs after high school, obviously you have the union jobs. You can go in as an apprentice, work your way up through like foreman, journeyman, and then eventually become a master.